Hi my friends, how you? Welcome guys to my channel today. It has been maybe more than 1 week since I was able to talk about anything. And I must tell you guys that I have a new perfume, and I have been in the new perfume shop, guys, and you know, where they sell Middle Eastern perfumes, and I bought about, now I have maybe 5 new perfumes. And when I went there, first I started to smell all of them, and then I got a bit confused and disappointed because I couldn't find much of the fresh perfumes, which actually are very, very necessary for the summertime. And I'm getting a bit fed up with the type of like heavy perfumes, you know. So the topic of the day, guys, is this perfume. So it's kind of like I unbox. I don't know. It's not unboxing, but I did unbox, guys, this one today, and I'm sure you have seen it. Like, have you seen it, guys? This perfume. So these are the first impressions of this perfume. I was wearing it this morning, guys. The name of the perfume is Ameerat Al Arab. Again, it's always they use that word like so often, Ameerat. I don't know what does that mean, guys, but like it's by Asdaf. Maybe could be my first perfume from this brand, you know. And the velvety packaging is very nice to touch. When I smelled all of those perfumes in the shop, guys, I was very confused, and there was none of the perfumes that I liked very much. It's just some of them I thought maybe I could wear them. Like this one is one of those as well that, you know, I wanted to buy a new perfume, and this perfume that I would be able to wear. So I already, guys, sprayed this perfume this morning, and I must tell you that the longevity of this perfume seems to be poor, because like I don't feel much, you know. Maybe some sort of musk is left, you know, but longevity is very poor. Oh, the proper name of this perfume is Princess of Arabia, because Amirat Al Arab, there is also the black version, which would be for man, but this one is for woman, and the name of it is Princess of Arabia. So first thing that I noticed about this perfume is that it was fresh. You know, I was trying to figure it out. Is there any fresh perfume in this Middle Eastern type of shop? You know, is there any of them? And I couldn't find much. But so the perfumes that I bought, and I will be unboxing, guys, for you slowly, not fast but slowly. I bought those perfumes by Latafa that has these type of horns, you know, deer horns in the picture. I don't remember what's the name of them, but it was something like a noble sapphire. It was a green bottle, and there was the black bottle, something about Latafa noble, you know. Like, I will show you guys next time. And there was another one as well, something about I will figure it out, guys. I can't remember the name. There is Mora, you know, like a Mora, you know, like those names, guys. I can't remember even myself what are those names, but you know. So I have this perfume. In the notes, this perfume have the notes of this perfume would be, this is very chilled review, guys, because I'm really in a hurry every day these days, and I don't have time to reflect about them like a lot, you know. But the notes has raspberry, blackcurrant, rose, jasmine, vanilla, and musk. So first thing that I must say is that longevity was poor, but there was some good points about this perfume. First is that I noticed that it's fruity, fresh, and suitable for summertime. Completely different from those other Middle Eastern perfumes that would be heavy, you know, with oud and so on. This one is a wearable perfume, youthful, and for work it's wearable too. It's very nice, guys, to hold it in your hand, and very nice kind of really to, you know, to touch the bottle. So let's do it, guys. You know, I was wearing it already. So really fresh, fruity, you know, fresh, fruity, very, very youthful, you know. I wish that this type of initial spray would stay, you know, but it disappears. So like in those notes we were saying, so those fruits, raspberry, blackcurrant, and that type of freshness from the jasmine, rose is not too significant there, and that sweetness from vanilla, and like when everything is gone, probably the musk is what's left. But honestly, It's as if those fruits, very nice, really nice, refreshing blackcurrant type of raspberry type of fruit, fruits with sweetness. And but once it's gone, it disappears. Like, I didn't felt on myself like any lingering type of feel, like when you are walking throughout the day and sometimes the perfume keeps coming back to you, with those smells keep surrounding you. I only smelled it maybe for the first few hours there, but like after, it's gone. But if there are people around you that would smell this perfume around you, I think they would feel quite pleased, because it's a refreshing type of smell and suitable for type of daily situations. But then at some point, guys, I noticed that this perfume is disappearing so fast. But still, the versatility factor is such a great factor that even though it doesn't stay this perfume so much, still it's nice to have this perfume in your collection, and still, to try it. Like, if I would put this perfume in my collection now on my shelf, like, this perfume would be reachable, really type of, when it will be standing there next to Ragba and next to Latafa, Wood Mood, and next to those opulent Oud, those heavy perfumes. So this one is completely towards vibrant, refreshing, sweet, girly type of perfume that is really, really reachable. That lightness in this perfume is intoxicating, really, But then, so that lightness, what's the most about this perfume, which actually probably could make you want to grab it. And in general, what could make you grab this perfume, to buy, like, sweet, that type of refreshing feeling. Again, I'm repeating myself. The price point, this perfume was a bit lower than other perfumes, so it wasn't on the expensive side. Beautiful bottle. There would be nothing that would annoy you too much. The smell of by itself is not too outstandingly great, but pretty pleasing, like pretty pleasing, not irritating, and not not heavy. Like, really, if you want to refresh yourself on the hot summer day, that's the one to go for. So it's really good. It's interesting, guys. So that's my type of reflection. But still, as always happens, guys, for me, my first impressions sometimes are not the final. I noticed myself keep changing my opinion, and some people notice too, because every day I'm experiencing different things depending on the situation. So, but I'm happy that my initial impressions are positive, and I, like, after drying down this perfume, it just simply is gone. But what it means is that simply you need to respray it again. You can just, go to another room and respray it again if you feel that the smell is gone, and there's nothing wrong, So that would be it. I will be coming back to you guys to talk about more about this perfume in the future, and have a lovely day. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.